Okay guys, so today I'm going to give you my honest review of this XJet pressure washer. So guys, if you are a do-it-yourself homeowner or a commercial pressure washer and you do not have the downstream equipment guys, this is what you need to save you some time on treating your areas where you do plan to pressure wash guys. So this is an XJet M5 and these go for about 160 guys, and I've been using this for over 3 years guys with no problems, and I highly recommend this XJet guys. Makes life a breeze when pressure washing. Also guys, you can use it for a soft wash tool, whether you're washing your roofs or anything like that guys. Also, this is adjustable, so you can get a 45-degree spray, or if you want guys, you can get a 90-degree spray and a higher spray by adjusting this nozzle. So I highly recommend this tool guys. Please go ahead and get yours today. Save yourself some time instead of having to walk around with a backpack blower and treating the areas. This tool will save you not only time guys, but it's worth every penny. So thanks again for watching guys. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. God bless you all. I see you all on the next one. Thank you.